Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to try out a new product. This is the Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt LED area light. Now it's 330 lumens of light output. It has a USB charging port. It's got a hook on the top that you can move around and fold into the top. The USB port is 1 amp. The weight of this light is 1 pound, and so is approximately the battery is a pound or pound and a half. Okay, so let's crack this open and see what we got here. Blister packs are a nightmare. Let's cut across the top. You can just pull it out. There we go. Wow. Okay, so this is the light. Comes with a little hook on the top. You can rotate the hook around. You can fold the hook flat. That's kind of nice. Sits nice. Put the battery in. Here's your USB port on the side here. It's got a nice cover for that, so that'll keep it dirt free. And then there should be, oh, here it is. Here's your power button. Alright, so that's not very bright. But I knew that when I was going to buy it. That's not a super bright light. So it's more of a lantern than a work light. But you can use it for anything. Like one of these here, I can use this camping. I can use it when I'm working on the car. I can use it when I'm working in the basement, when I'm in the crawl space. And, you know, it looks like it's pretty much a non-breakable material, or I don't know, it's non-breakable, but break-resistant material, should I say? Break-resistant material. Yeah. Yeah, so this will come in handy. And with the USB port, the charging port, when we're camping, that's one of the biggest problems that we have, is the kids want to charge their phones and stuff. About this, I'm going to close the door here and see how bright this is. Oh, it has two settings, a high and a low. Well, that's nice. And off. So this is what it looks like right now in the daytime. My garage has two windows that are covered. So that's high. If I wanted to work on something, like if I needed to get my wrenches or whatever, I can see what I'm doing, but it's not a great light. It's not a great work light. So would I buy this solely as a work light? No, I wouldn't. I think it's a great addition. Like when you're working on stuff, it's nice to have an extra light kicking around. It's more of a lantern, like I said. So it sits nicely on the battery. You can hang it, but it's, you know, it's kind of a crappy hanger. It has to be hung from like a piece of wire or rope or something. You could make a bigger piece of wire to hang over, like a 2x4 or something. That would be nice. And, you know, that way it's pretty cool. But overall, I think it's going to be handy for me. That's why I picked it up. Okay, with up to 73 hours of runtime. Okay, that's probably on low, and that's probably with a bigger battery. But that's still very impressive. The LEDs take very, very little energy. It's 3 watts, this LED. So, anyway, yeah, it's pretty nice. Anyway, that's basically it. It's like a really simple tool. It was $35. I think it's going to be handy for me, so I picked it up. Anyway, do I like it? Yeah. Do I think it's going to be handy? Yeah. Am I happy with it? Yes, I am, actually. So, anyway, thanks for watching.